Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring something truly fascinating and incredibly unique on the road. This is not just a truck, and it is not just a motorhome. This vehicle is a powerful combination of both, built for people who love long journeys, open highways, and the freedom of traveling with their home. What you are looking at here is a luxury semi-truck motorhome, a vehicle designed to turn the idea of road travel into something much more comfortable, more flexible, and much more exciting. From the very first moment you see it, this motorhome creates a strong and unforgettable impression. The clean white upper body gives it a modern and elegant look. The deep maroon lower finish adds a bold and confident character that feels powerful on the road. Together, these colors create a design that feels premium, balanced, and incredibly professional. It looks strong, it looks refined, and most importantly, it looks ready for thousands of miles of adventure. When this motorhome appears on the highway, people naturally turn their heads to take another look. Not because it is loud or flashy, but because it carries the calm presence of something built with purpose and precision. From the front, the truck immediately shows its strength and capability. The large grille gives the vehicle a bold personality. The wide windshield opens a massive view of the road ahead, and the tall driving position creates the feeling of full control over the journey. Vehicles like this are designed for the wide highways of America, highways that stretch across deserts and mountains, highways that pass through forests, valleys, and endless open landscapes, highways where the road seems to continue forever toward the horizon. As this motorhome moves along the highway, the experience feels smooth, stable, and powerful. The long body glides forward with confidence. The massive structure moves with calm strength, almost like a luxury apartment quietly traveling across the road. That is the real beauty of a semi-truck motorhome. It combines the heavy-duty engineering of a commercial truck with the comfort and practicality of a private home. Now let us take a closer look at the driver's area, where every journey truly begins. The cockpit of this motorhome is designed with comfort, control, and long-distance travel in mind. The driver's seat is wide, supportive, and comfortable for extended hours behind the wheel. The passenger seat offers the same level of comfort and space for long road trips. Both seats are finished in premium leather that feels durable, elegant, and built for serious travel. In front of the driver sits a strong and balanced steering wheel connected to a modern dashboard. Behind the steering wheel, you will find clear gauges that display speed and vehicle performance. Digital screens provide navigation information, route guidance, and essential travel data. Everything in the cockpit is arranged carefully so the driver can stay focused while still enjoying the journey. From this elevated position, the view of the road is wide and panoramic. Sitting higher above the highway allows the driver to see farther ahead and observe traffic more easily. It also allows a much better view of the surrounding landscapes. For many drivers, this elevated perspective becomes one of the most enjoyable parts of driving a large motorhome truck. But the most interesting transformation happens just behind the cockpit. This is where the vehicle begins to feel less like a machine and more like a personal living space. Inside the motorhome living area, the layout is compact but very intelligently designed. A comfortable sofa provides a place to sit down, relax, and enjoy the journey between driving sessions. It becomes a small personal lounge on wheels, a place where travelers can pause, breathe, and enjoy the scenery outside the windows. Next to the seating area, you'll notice a small table that adds another layer of practicality to the space. It may look simple, but it becomes extremely useful during long trips. It can hold coffee in the morning, it can support a quick meal during a break, or it can become a small workspace when you need to open a laptop and stay productive while traveling. The kitchenette continues this idea of practical design. Here you will find a compact sink that allows daily cleaning and cooking tasks. There are storage cabinets that keep kitchen items organized and easy to reach, and a small preparation area where simple meals can be prepared during long journeys. Having a kitchen inside the motorhome gives travelers a powerful advantage. It means you are not dependent on restaurants, gas stations, or roadside stops all the time. You can prepare food whenever you want and continue your journey with complete independence. At the rear of the motorhome, you will find the sleeping area. A cozy single bed provides a quiet and comfortable place to rest after a long day of driving. It may look simple, but it offers exactly what travelers need: comfort, privacy, and a peaceful place to recharge before the next day of adventure. The motorhome also includes a compact bathroom equipped with a toilet and wash basin. This feature may seem small, but during long-distance travel, it becomes incredibly valuable. It adds flexibility, comfort, and convenience to every journey. When all of these elements come together, the true purpose of this motorhome becomes clear. This vehicle is about freedom. Freedom to explore the country. Freedom to travel wherever curiosity leads you. Freedom to wake up in a completely different landscape every single day. Imagine waking up near the mountains in the early morning light. Later in the afternoon, driving across a wide desert highway surrounded by endless views. And in the evening, parking beside a quiet lake or ocean road while watching the sunset. All while carrying your own personal living space with you wherever you go. That is the true appeal of luxury motorhome trucks like this one. They transform travel into a lifestyle built around movement, adventure, and independence. If you enjoy discovering unique motorhomes, luxury RVs, and incredible homes on wheels like this one, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next adventure on the road. Because here on this channel, we explore some of the most amazing vehicles ever created for life on wheels. And the next motorhome we are going to show you might be even more impressive than this one.